Hi guys, it's me, Richard Gabriel Pagarigan, and you can call me 3016 Pro. So I have something for you. Wait for it. So this is Tung 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 Sahur. He has a bat and he wants to dance. Let's turn this on. You know the song? He is from Tralalero Tralala. Okay, so Tong 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 Sahur, he has a bat that he holds. He has friends with Tralalero Tralala, Bombarilo Crocodilo, Ballerina Cappuccina, and also Saturnita. He has a cow, and he is nice. He's dancing good. And thanks for watching. Subscribe more than videos. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for this channel.